Hello student, welcome to Paramguru Pathshala English Medium School, Sarsa. Myself Kratika Bhatia, class 7. Subject name is GK, unit 2nd. Topic cover is unbelievable natural phenomena. Today's chapter 2 name is unbelievable natural phenomena. So, today we discuss about the unbelievable natural phenomena. An observable event that has special signification and is not human made, that called natural phenomena. For example, include sunrise, sunset, tornadoes, thunderstorm, erosions and many other. Here is the some picture of unbelievable natural phenomena which have now become popular tourist attraction. First of all, we learn about the meaning of unbelievable. So, what is the meaning of unbelievable? Very surprising and difficult to believe. Okay? Unbelievable means आश्चर्यजनक. So, very surprising and difficult to believe. जिसे आप बिलीव नहीं करना चाहते. Okay? Second is phenomena. What is the meaning of phenomena? Phenomena means घटना. Okay? A fact or an event in natural or society, especially one that is not fully understood. It's called phenomena. Okay? So, here are some phenomena. Okay? Let's start. First phenomenon's name is red lake. Why is lake natron red? The red accessories photosynthesize the pigment in the cyanobacteria produce the deep red of the open water of the lake and the orange color of the shallow part of the lake. The alkali salt crushed on the surface of the lake is also often the color red or pink by the salt-loving microorganism that live there. Okay, so this name is red lake, Lake Natron, located in Tanzania, East Africa. Okay, it is the salt lake in some area where very high evaporation takes place, water evaporation and slightly level increase. Thus, cyanobacteria increase. So, this red pigment photosynthesize organism give red color to the lake. Okay. Next is door to hell. Okay. The Darwaza gas create also known as the door to hell or gates of hell. Its another name is gates of hell. It's a natural gas field called past into the cavern located at the Darwish, Turkmenistan. Geologists intentionally set it on the fire to prevent the spread of methane gas, and it is the thought to have been burning continuously since 1971. Okay, the name is door to hell located in Turkmenistan. Okay, this is the natural gas created set on the fire by the scientists in 1971. To prevent the spread of methane gas, it has been burning continuously since then. Okay, the diameters of the craters of 69 meters and its depth is 30 meters. The craters is the popular tourist spots. So, what is the name is the phenomena? It's door to hell, located in Turkmenistan. Next unbelievable natural phenomena's name, flowering desert Atacama. It's called Atacama Desert located in Chile. Okay, a desert bloom is a climate phenomenon that occur in various deserts around the world. The phenomena consist of the blossoming of a wide variety of flowers during early mid spring in years when rainfall is usually high. Okay, when rainfall is usually high, the flower is blossom. Okay, the name is flowering desert. It's called Atacama Desert, Chile. It is a climatical phenomena that occur in a desert every 4 to 5 years, where blossoms of a wide variety of flowers is seen during September and November. If there is unusually high rain, सामान्य वर्षा जिसको बोलते हैं आप, ओके. It's all about the climatical phenomena. Okay. What is the name? The flowering desert. Where is located? It's located in Chile. Next is Christmas land. What is the Christmas land? Christmas land is the Australian territories, okay, in the Indian Ocean, lying south of Java, Indonesia. A national park covers most of the 135 square kilometer land, offering the rainforest hikes of wetlands and waterfalls like huge dells. Native wildlife including nesting, seabirds and the red crab, a land species known for its late for migration to the sea. The land is ringed with snorkeling and diving reefs. So its name is Christmas land. Minerals of red crabs are living in this small area. Do you know about that? How many? Millions of red crabs. These red crabs are well known for mass migration to lay eggs in the ocean. Okay? So this is the name is Christmas land. It's located in Indian Ocean, Australian territories. Okay, I again repeat. In short, as Christmas Island, millions of red crabs are living in this small area. Okay, so these red crabs are well known for mass migration to lay eggs in the ocean. So this is the name of Christmas land. Where is located? Indian Ocean, Australian territories. Okay. Next is Great Blue Hole. It is a very great blue hole. Okay. The hole form a perfect circle in the midst of coral reef, known as the Lighthouse Reef, and also the section of the Bliss Bay Reef Reserve System. Okay, which is one of the United Nations educational, scientific and cultural organization. It's called UNESCO. UNESCO. It is full form of United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. It's called UNESCO. Okay, the World Heritage Site. The Great Blue Hole of Bliss features more than 300 meters, like 984 feet, okay, across, and 125 meters, like 410 feet deep. Okay, so how many? 300 meters across and 125 meter deep. So research considered the Great Blue Hole is the largest of its kind and discovered huge satellite cities. Okay, the dripstone sheets as well as columns inside the blue hole. Water level in the surrounding area of the sinkhole are so shallow, where the coral often breaks the surface at low tide. The watercolors of the shallow holes is deep blue and contrast with the aquamarine colors of the water neighboring it. Okay. In short, it is the Gantt submarine sinkhole. Okay. The circular in shape over the 300 meter in a diameters and 120 meter deep. In short, 300 meter is equal to 984 feet, okay, and 128 meter is equal to 410 feet deep, okay. It is a great tourist spot and part of the World Heritage Site, it's UNESCO, okay. We know about the full form: United Nations Educational, Scientists and Cultural Organization. It's called UNESCO World Heritage Site. The name is Great Blue Hole. It's located in Coast of Belize, Central America. Where located? Central America. Okay. Next is bioluminescent waves. Travels to exotic water like those surrounding the island of the Maldives. Look like a star, right? May be treated to a natural phenomena that turns the nighttime ocean into the field of glowing stars. As waves break on the sandy shore or bare feet step into wet sand, a bright blue glow appears. Okay? ऐसा लगता है कि सारे आसमान से तारे उतर के इस पानी में चले गए हैं, राइट? It's a so beautiful phenomena in the world. It's called bioluminescent waves because these waves have the sight of many stars glowing. Okay, but this is not a star. Many species of photoplanktons are known to emit light. Okay, when they are washed ashore by the tides, their chemical energy changes into the light energy, and thus they illuminate in the dark. Okay, it is not a star. Okay, I again repeat. Many species of photoplanktons, okay, are known as emit light when they are washed ashore by the tides. Their chemical energy change into the light energy, and this they illuminate in the dark. So इसका जो प्रकाश इतना ज़्यादा होने के कारण वो ऐसा लगता है हमें कि स्टार्स नीचे आ गए. ओके, इट्स नेम इज बायोलुमिनेसेंट वेव्स. वादो लैंड मालदीव्स. वेयर इज लोकेटेड? वादो आइलैंड, मालदीव्स. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज स्पॉटेड लेक. इट्स लोकेटेड इन ब्रिटिश कोलंबिया. It is the richly concentrated with the several minerals including compounds of magnesium, calcium and sodium. Okay, so let's start. Spotted lake is very high concentrate with the numerous different minerals. It contains some of the highest quantities in the world of magnesium sulfate, calcium and sodium sulfate. It is also contain extremely high concentration of 8 other minerals as well as some small dust of 4 others such as silver and titanium. Okay. The most of the water in the lake evaporate over the summer, leaving behind all the minerals. Large spots on the lake appear and then depending on the minerals composition. At the time, the spots will be different color. You know that. First photo, the color is yellow and second color, lake color is green. Okay. So the spots are made mainly of magnesium sulfate, which crystallizes in the summer. In summer, only the minerals in a lake remain and they harden or form natural walkways. Walkway means pedal rasta, okay, around the between the spots. Okay, I again repeat. In short, it is a richly concentrate with several minerals, okay, including compounds like magnesium, calcium, sodium and etc. Most of the water in the lake evaporates during summer, leaving large spots on the lake, colored according to the mineral composition to form natural walkways around this spot. It's called spotted lake. Okay, what is the name? Spotted lake. Okay, we are the British Columbia. Next is the hard words. Okay, this is the hard word of this chapter. Okay, I read, you can read. Okay, first is phenomena. I again repeat, phenomena. Second, illuminate. I again repeat, illuminate. Third is bioluminescent. Bioluminescent means geo. Fourth is maelstrom. Fourth is maelstrom, bhavar. Okay. Fifth is flammable. Fourth is flammable. Flammable means ज्वलनशील, जो जलता रहता है. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज पिगमेंट. नेक्स्ट इज पिगमेंटेड. ओके. नेक्स्ट photosynthetize. ओके. photosynthetics. photosynthetics. ओके, मतलब प्रकाश संश्लेषण बोलते हो आप उसको, राइट. नेक्स्ट इज कंपोजिशन. नेक्स्ट इज कंपोजिशन. नाइन्थ इज वॉकवेज, पैदल रास्ता. आई अगेन रिपीट, वॉकवेज. लास्ट इज माइग्रेशन. ओके, लास्ट इज माइग्रेशन. ओके, आई अगेन रिपीट द ऑल हार्ड वर्ड्स. Phenomena, illuminate, bioluminescent, maelstrom, flammable, pigmented, photosynthetics, composition, walkways, migration. Okay. Next is quiz time of this chapter. Okay, you can take the correct answer. An optical phenomena that occur due to the reflection of bright light by ice crystal, okay, present in the atmosphere. What is the answer is rainbow eucalyptus, bioluminescent waves, light pillars, या the black sun. The answer is rainbow eucalyptus. Okay. Nervous clouds are type of, first is momentous clouds, undultus asperatus, polar star tropical cloud, and lenticular clouds. The answer is polar star tropical clouds. Last is the dirty thunderstorm is a phenomena in which lightning occur in volcanic plug, magma, volcanic arc, and volcanic lake. The answer is volcanic plug. Okay. Here is a one amazing fact on this chapter. Okay, I read. You can listen. One of the strangest natural phenomena, एक अजीब घटना है. Okay. On the earth is maelstrom, मतलब भंवर, on the crushing current. Okay, it is a gained whirlpool that can open up and suck in entire ship, caught helplessly in current and crushed by the depth of current. Wow, it's amazing, na? I again repeat, one of the strangest natural phenomena on the earth is maelstrom or crushing current. It is a gained whirlpool that can open up and shock an entire ship, caught helplessly in current and crushed by the depth of current. Okay, so here we learn about the natural phenomena. Now activity. It's your homework. Do activity at your home. Find out two more natural phenomena, okay? Not in this chapter, okay? And describe them. You may also give scientific interpretation of these phenomena. You love this and you like to do this, okay? So here we learn about the unbelievable natural phenomena, okay? I again repeat the name of phenomena, okay? First is door to hell. Second, flammable ice bubble. Okay. Third is red lake. Fourth, bioluminescent waves. Fifth is spotted lake. It's located in British Columbia. Sixth is Christmas land, located in Australian Territories, Indian Ocean. Seventh is Great Blue Hole Coast of Breeze, located in Central America. And last is Flooring Desert, Atacama Desert, Chile. Okay, so here we finish our chapter. See you soon with next chapter. Take care.